Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on your laptop in the UAE. I'll guide you through the process step by step, so even if you've never used a VPN before, it will be easy to follow. The first step is choosing the right VPN. For this tutorial, I recommend using Surfshark. Surfshark is fast, secure, and reliable, and it works well with streaming services, websites, and other online platforms. One of the best things about Surfshark is that it allows unlimited devices on a single account, so you can protect all your devices at the same time. It also comes with strong privacy and security features, including a kill switch, an ad blocker, and strong encryption, which keeps your online activity safe. And if you want to try Surfshark at a great price, you'll find the link in the description below. Once you've decided to use Surfshark, the next step is to download it. First, click the link in the description and go to the official Surfshark website. Choose a plan that works for you. Longer plans usually give you a better price per month. Complete the sign-up process and create your account with your email and password. After you create your account, download the Surfshark app for your laptop. It works on both Windows and Mac, and there are apps available for mobile devices and smart TVs as well. Just select your device and install the app like you would install any other program. Then open your Downloads folder and double-click the Setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the installation steps on the screen, click Install, and wait for it to finish. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using your account details. You will now see the main dashboard. The layout is simple. You will see a big Connect button and a list of available server locations. From here, you can select the country you want to appear in. For example, if you want to access content from the US or Japan, choose the server in that country and click Connect. Surfshark will quickly establish a secure and private connection. Once you're connected, your laptop is ready to browse safely and access content that may otherwise be restricted in the UAE. You can use streaming platforms, visit websites, or simply browse the internet with more privacy. To make sure the VPN is working properly, you can visit a website that shows your IP location, and it should display the country of the server you connected to, rather than your actual location. Using Surfshark on your laptop in the UAE is simple and gives you both security and freedom online. You can enjoy safe browsing, access content from other countries, and protect all of your devices at the same time. If you want to try Surfshark at a great price, check the link in the description below.